What were vagrancy laws under the Black Codes? Have you ever wondered how laws shaped the lives of newly freed African Americans after the American Civil War? One significant aspect of this era was the Black Codes, which included vagrancy laws. These laws emerged during the Reconstruction period in the southern United States. They aimed to restrict the rights and freedoms of African Americans, ensuring that white supremacy remained intact. So, what exactly were vagrancy laws? These laws defined individuals as vagrants if they were unemployed and lacked a permanent residence. This broad definition allowed local authorities to arrest African Americans for minor infractions. Essentially, being unemployed became a criminal offense. This was a way to force former slaves back into labor, as they were required to sign annual contracts with white employers. If they failed to comply with these contracts, they faced fines or imprisonment. The vagrancy laws had specific provisions that classified individuals as vagrants if they engaged in activities seen as frivolous. This included things like excessive drinking, gambling, or even juggling. Employers had the power to deduct wages for disobedience, and local courts rarely ruled in favor of African American employees. Those convicted of vagrancy faced harsh penalties, including fines, imprisonment, or forced labor to pay off their debts. In practice, these laws served to maintain control over African American labor. By criminalizing unemployment, white Southerners aimed to keep former slaves tied to agricultural work on plantations. This was a strategic move to regain control over the labor force they had lost with the abolition of slavery. The enforcement of these laws was heavily biased against African Americans, creating an atmosphere of fear and subservience. Looking at the broader context, the Black Codes, including vagrancy laws, representing a continuation of the racial tensions that defined the American Civil War. While the 13th Amendment abolished slavery, the Black Codes were a legal attempt to maintain the social and economic structures of the antebellum South. The reaction to these laws, such as the passage of the Civil Rights Act of 1866 and the 14th Amendment, shows the ongoing struggle for racial equality during the Reconstruction era. Understanding vagrancy laws under the Black Codes helps us see how deeply these laws impacted American identity. They were not just legal restrictions, they shaped the lives of countless individuals and communities. The legacy of these laws continues to influence discussions about race and equality in America today.